So as it's getting warm and sunny and springtime, that means our plants and our yards are ready for a spring cleaning and to get ready for our summer fun. And I'm out here in my yard today, so thank you for joining me. I'm not going to show you everything because there's a lot that needs to be done. I am just getting started, but by this summer, it's going to look great. So I thought I would just talk about a few things that you can do that's simple out in your yard. The first thing to do is to get a rake and just start raking up the dead leaves and everything. You want to do that because the slugs and things like that can eat up your good plants. So be sure and clean up all of the debris from the winter time. Another great thing is to think about birds and attracting birds. Did you know a chickadee can eat up to 1,000 bad bugs in a day? I didn't know that. So definitely you want to encourage birds in your backyard. There is a certification you can actually get, so you can probably Google that and find out more information about how to literally be a backyard bird certified sanctuary. But just simple things like chickadees apparently like zinnias and honeysuckle and echinacea and plants like that. And of course a bird bath is always welcoming to bring those little creatures in. Another thing is pruning. So I have like these trees out on my curb and they're beautiful. They're flowering plums and I love them, but I haven't the slightest idea how to trim them. And I know there's already some dead branches and some things need to be done so that I can keep them healthy and growing for years to come. So if somebody knows somebody that can help me with that, please message me. I'd love to hear maybe an arborist or somebody that can help me with these smaller trees. And then also think about, we're in Portland, so you can get really creative with your yard. You don't have to have plants and, flowers. Bring in some art. Maybe paint up an old bicycle red, or bring in a great big blue vase, or take a bench and paint it yellow or something and put that in your yard. And that's a great way to bring in some color and some joy and fun into your yard. So that's just a few tips. I hope you have fun with yours, whether it's a container garden, a yard like I have, or a community garden, whatever you're doing, that you can get outdoors and enjoy that. Have fun, and thanks for listening. I'm Diana McCready with Keller Williams.